Hey family, this is Darlene, Jewelry by BDK. I'm in the mood to do some wire earrings, so I figured I would go ahead and turn the camera on. And we'll get this party started. I have no idea what these earrings are gonna look like, so we are just kind of like shooting in the dark. And shooting in the dark makes the best earrings. Oh, and when I do that, sometimes when I use my I forget what these are, whatever nose pliers to bend the wire to create that hoop on the end, sometimes it'll twist, so I use the pliers to make it straight. That's all that is. So this is what I want to do. I'm going to take the wires, and I'm going to reverse them. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put, I kind of had this idea, so I figured I would just do it and see what happens. So my thought was to just put to put beads on. Oh wow, I done bent that. And then work around the beads. So this is what I was thinking. And let's see how this is going to work. So they're reversed. And remember, we are shooting in the dark with this one. So my thought was to take the wire. I might have to do them separately. Because my thought was to take the wire. And you know how I like to bend the wire. So take the wire right at the bottom of the bead. And then bend it over. So take the wire and bend it right over the bead like so. So these should look just like, and they do. So I want to reverse it. And then I want to take the wire about right there, bend it over like that, and then I want to put another bead. And remember, I have no idea what these are going to look like, so we'll see. And that's one thing about this wire. If it don't look right, you can always do something with it to make it look right. Okay, so we'll put that there. And then we want to bend the wire right at that. Right. So let me do this one, because I'm going to start doing a little wire art. That's that one. And let me see, I'll turn it. And then we got that little wiggle on the wire. Hold on. You could barely see it, but it is there. So let's see what we want to do so we can start to do some kind of little wire art. So I'm going to just go ahead and twist the wire and twist the wire like I'm turning it in circles, right? And then that wire that's left, I'll take it And see, we just really shot in the dark with this one. And let's take it up, wrap it, and wrap it. And then let's close this wire on here. Close that wire right in there. And then let me wrap this one so I could try to get them at least, oops, like a circle. Because I'm going to do some stuff with the wire at the end. So I'm going to just wrap it and start to take it around. And we will tuck this wire right up in there like that. So then I'm going to take some of this wire and maybe pull it apart. And that's the thing about wire. You can do a lot with it. I mean, something come out like you don't want it to, or you were wanting one thing and something else turn out, like with these. You can always bend the wire and just kind of make it look like something. So with this, that is like totally abstract. Let me hold them upside down. Just totally abstract. And the most important thing here is just making sure that these earrings are the right length, are the same length. So now let's see, this one is a little shorter. And it's a little shorter because it's more tangled up here. Which is okay, because it still makes for a very different earring. So when you look at it, now it's longer, which is still fine because I can pull this one just a little bit. And then just kind of give it a very different look. That's that magic with that wire. Boy. They look about the same. Let's see. They look about the same. Yeah, they look about the same. So I'm going to put the fish hook on it. how quick and easy that was. And look how these earrings look. Let me, I got jewelry on everything. Let's see this one. Oops. And I love working with wire. I mean, there's just so much you can do with wire. And the amazing thing about that is, even if it didn't turn out right, you can't tell it didn't turn out right if, you know, something didn't turn out right. Because of, look how pretty that looks. Just some wire earrings. Something just that quick. Abstract beaded wire earrings. Just a quickie. Darlene Knight with Jewelry by BDK. Thanks for being a subscriber. And if you're not a subscriber, we invite you to join us by clicking on subscribe, clicking the bell, and then clicking on all, and then that way you'll be notified each time I upload a video. Darlene Knight, talk soon.